This class is about problem solving, guys. Problem solving using Python and Java. Right? Yeah, Java and Python, or Python and Java, both are the same. So basically, anyone tell me what is problem solving exactly? So what do you mean by problem solving? Guys, come on, guys. What do you mean by problem solving?
Process of finding a solution for any problem.
Okay. Process of finding a solution. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Charge it down. That's why, guys. 1 minute. Yeah, that's done. Yep. Huh. So, yeah, coding challenges, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, you are right, guys. It is process of solving a problem. Problem. Yeah, mainly coding challenges, guys. Right? So coming to myself, I'm Sunil. I'm a senior software engineer. Right now working in one of the top company, right? And previously worked in multiple product-based companies. So I have solved. I used to teach DSA batches mainly, like DSA batches problem solving only, and Spring Boot batches as well. Spring Boot batches as well, right? Uh, Till now, I have solved around more number of questions on various coding platforms for different batches, around 1,000+ questions on different batches, right? Uh, yeah, that's about me. Yep. There's any doubts about me, anything about the curriculum or something like that? Guys, am I audible properly?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. Please respond, okay? Because if you're responding, the class will be more interactive, right? I want the class to be more interactive, okay?
Sir,
Right.
your voice is not clear. Very slow.
Very slow. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Guys, can you confirm me? Is that okay now? I speaking with earphones. Hello?
Yeah, better.
Better, right? Okay. Yeah. Right, guys. So now I just want to throw some light on what is the importance of problem solving. Do you think this is important or what? What is the importance of problem solving in IT field? Not IT, simply like any IT related field. Yeah. Suppose whether you are appearing for SDE interviews, okay, whether you are appearing for data engineering roles, okay, and whether you are appearing for testing kind of roles, okay, or else data analyst, okay. And can someone tell me how the interviews in the most 90% of the cases, how the interviews will start? SDE or data engineering or testing role or data analyst or data scientist also. Yeah. How the interviews will start, guys? Anyone? Guys, come on, guys. How do you think the interviews will start? Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. Please tell me. It's okay, because if you're not speaking means I'm thinking like I'm not audible. Yeah. Tell me, how the interviews will start.
They'll give a situation, right? They'll give a situation where or
Yes.
a problem.
Yes. Definitely.
They'll ask
So
us.
if they're going for an exam, right, they will give you some 2 to 3 problems, right? 2 to 3 problems in the exam. Or if they are directly starting with an interview, they will give you a situation, right? They will give you a situation and they will ask you to write the code or not.
Yeah.
Ask you to write the code, okay? Right. Am I correct, guys? So this is the importance of problem solving, guys. Suppose I myself a Java developer, okay, and I work in Python as well. So mainly my main skill set is Spring Boot microservices and CoreJava, okay, CoreJava and Advanced Java, like these kind of stuffs. And I work in front end too, okay. Yeah, for us mainly, mainly they will suppose if the interview is 1 hour, first 20 minutes they will dedicate to what, guys? Come on, 20 minutes they'll dedicate to some problem solving, right? Okay. If you were good at this problem solving, no, then the interview will go ahead smoothly, guys. Otherwise, if you are not able to solve this problem, then they will be thinking, okay, this guy is not up to the mark, and you will completely lose the impression or not, right? Hello, guys, is that okay so far? Any doubts you want me to ask? Hello.
Yeah, I think we are fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, actually, I have a habit of following up people, okay? For every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'll ask the people to speak something or, interact or, any doubts like that, I'll ask. Okay, please respond, okay? Right, guys. So the main agenda is you should do the problem solving very well, guys, okay? That is the main agenda of this course, okay? Right? This course will be around 30 classes, okay? 30 classes, right? Around it will take 40 days to complete, mainly, right? So here in this, as part of this course, right? As part of this course, see, I will be teaching programs from very scratch, guys, and I will be explaining, guys. I just want to know how many are Python background and how many are Java background here. Can you speak up? Can you ping in the chat box? Because Python, okay, Java. Come on, guys, please ping everyone.
Python.
Yeah. Okay. So I can see the mix of guys from both Python and Java. Okay, so that's great. Great. Okay. So guys, so as part of this course, okay, so mainly this is the coding challenges, right? Right. First, I will teach the code in Java. Then I will teach the same code in Python. Okay. Is that okay, guys? Okay. Right. You know, before starting to this problem solving, I will give you enough. I will give you enough inputs. I will give you, enough, uh, enough knowledge on core Java and core Python and core Python in order to solve the programs. It is not like I will directly start from, I will directly start from advanced level or something like that. I will be teaching from very scratch, guys. I will be teaching programs from very scratch. Like, from the main method, from the static method, and, calling the method, okay, catching the method, right? And flow of the method, and, then programs and arrays, strings, list. It will go like that. If it is a Python, then I will be explaining how to read the input, okay, from the keyboard, int of input like that. Okay. Then I will be teaching the loops in Python, okay, conditional statements in Python, iterative statements in Python, right? And list, tuple, set, dictionary, okay, these things in Python I will teach. Then I will be starting the programs, guys. Okay. See, suppose if it is a core Java, no, what I will teach, guys, as a prerequisite. Okay. So for the core Java, I will be starting from very scratch. Let me be very honest. Okay, main method, function calling, creating objects, then iterative conditional statements, okay. Come on, programs on iterative statements. Next, arrays, programs on arrays, strings, programs on strings. Okay. Then comes what, guys? Collection framework. Guys, in Java, collection framework means don't expect, I will be teaching total end-to-end collection framework. Whatever the things required for the problem solving. Okay. In the arrays also, I won't be teaching everything. I will be teaching whatever the things required for the problem solving. In strings also, I will be teaching whatever the things that are required for the problem solving. Then I will go for the programs on arrays, programs on strings, and collection framework. Right? And programs on collection framework. Right? Then once these guys are done, then I will be teaching programs on, I will be teaching coding challenges on hacker rank, lead code, coding ninjas, and GFG, guys. Okay. Right. Guys, are you able to understand this one? Any doubts related to Java side?
Sorry for interrupting.
Yeah, please.
I have like how much time, like I already well versed with the Java, so I wanted
No, it is like, yeah, I got your point. See, suppose in the very basic classes, I will be teaching, one or two classes related to Java. Then I will
okay.
be like, for condition statements, the theory is very less. Okay, then I will be going for straight away programs. For iterative statements, the theory part is very less. I will be going for programs. You got the point.
No, okay. Overall, how long we are going to have this on, like
For
4 5 days or more than that?
Yeah, that in that way only. For mainly 5 to 6 days. Okay.
Okay. So and coming to the coding challenges, like are we like, is there any number of coding challenge or the level of this thing, right? Even in hacker rank or coding
Yeah,
ninjas. So
yeah,
there
yeah.
will be medium, like the hard programs. So we will be starting with simple to
1
hard,
minute.
or
Yeah. Let me see. Actually, I'm about to come to that point. Okay, just wait. I will be teaching. Okay, I will
okay,
clear
okay,
the.
right, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, no issue, no issue. And here, after collection framework, I will be teaching two algorithms, guys. Okay, come on. Binary search. Okay, and its programs. This binary search will take around 10 classes, guys. Okay, and its programs. And sliding window and its programs, guys. These two guys will take around 15 plus classes. Okay, sliding window and binary search will take, okay, 15 plus programs, 15 plus days. So these are related to Java side, guys. Okay, I'm not supposed to say core Java, Java side. Okay, so tell me, see, I am telling this course, I am keeping the point, everyone I, I just want to keep in mind so that everyone will be compatible or feasible, right? So in the beginner perspective, I'm starting that class, okay, right? Are the guys who have learned core Java long back, are guys who have completely core Java back. Everyone is able to learn this, right? And if you have a basic knowledge of core Java, that is fine. Okay. If not, also I can teach you some basics of core Java, and I will be starting with this problem solving, guys. Okay. And coming to the coding challenges, I will be teaching coding challenges on Hacker Rank, Lead Code, Coding Ninjas, and GFG, guys. Okay. And coming to the, someone is asking, right, number of questions. So I can assure you around 150 to 150 plus questions, guys. Okay. Right, 150 plus questions, like it will be easy, medium, and hard, right? And this course will be the prerequisite for DSA course, guys. Okay, right? This course is a part of DSA course. I can't say like that, but again, once you are completing this course, you are comfortably learn DSA. DSA means what, guys? Again, stacks, queues, linked list, trees, graphs will come now. Okay, so, and in the DSA, we can see both binary search and sliding window. These two are the part of DSA. But I feel like most of the interviews, most of the Java interviews, most of the data engineering interviews, they are not going for DSA, but they are going for the problem solving. At least if you're comfortable with these topics, okay, these topics and the programs on these, okay, you will be comfortable. You will be comfortably answering in the interview, guys. Okay, are you guys clear? Hello.
Yes, yes.
So what I mean to say, basically, for the problem solving means people will think I need to learn DSA. Oh my god, it is so hard. Like that, people used to think. Okay, but trust me, if you comfort, if you comfortably solving the programs on arrays, if you comfortably solving programs on strings, okay, if you comfortably solving programs on collection framework, programs on binary search, and programs on sliding window, okay, on different kinds of platforms, then you can easily crack the interview, guys. Okay, right? Most 80 to 90% of the interviews will be based on these kind of programs only. Okay, very few companies like Amazon, Google, uh, Netflix, those kind of companies only will go for a complex coding challenges on DSA. Okay, right? On DSA. Okay. So basically, those companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, no, they will be checking mainly on DSA. Okay. Mainly on DSA. If there are 3 rounds, they will completely take all the 3 rounds on DSA, guys. Okay. So that is the process of those. Okay. But remaining 80 to 90% of the companies, okay. Suppose if you're preparing for a Java developer, if you're preparing for a data engineer, if you're preparing for data analyst, they will check, they want to check how much good in writing problem solving, how much compatible are you with the problem solving. Likewise, they will check. Okay, right? So someone is asking me earlier, are you okay now? So easy, medium, and hard questions, at least 150, 200, 150 plus or 200 questions will try to solve, guys. Okay, and let me share the Excel sheet. Okay, 1 minute, let me complete this what you say, Python as well. Okay, Then coming to Python side. Come on, guys. Python developers, come on. What do you think the inputs for Python required, guys? Come on. Any Python developers? Yeah, you told some of the guys that Python developers are there. Yeah. Come on, guys. Guys, so far, are you able to follow my teaching?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Are you able to understand my language? Is that okay, right? The pace which I'm speaking, everything is okay. The voice, the modulation, everything is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Come on, guys. Python side. Some guys respond, Come on, guys. What was? See, my expectation is I will teach, Python flow, guys. I will try to complete the very basics in the first four, 45 classes, guys. Don't worry, okay? Guys, theory means it won't see. Array means I won't be teaching entire CoreJava or what. Like it won't be like that, guys. Okay. Strings means I won't be teaching entire CoreJava. Whatever the things required for problem solving only, I will teach. Okay. Collection framework also I won't teach entire thing. Okay. Whatever the things required for problem solving only, I will be teaching. Okay. So our course is mainly what, guys? Problem solving related. Problem solving specific. Okay. Clear? Okay. Come on. Python side. Python flow. Okay. Because there won't be any main method in Python. No. Okay. So I will be explaining what is the flow of Python and the reading input. Reading input. Okay. Then conditional statements. Okay. Iterative statements. Yes, actually, I can see, right, a lot of people learning frameworks. People are learning Spring Boot, microservices. People are learning React.js, Angular, CoreJava, and all. But people are neglecting the problem-solving skill, guys. This is the most underestimated skill. I don't know why, but maybe the awareness. The institutes, different kinds of institutes. No one is teaching problem-solving. Very real way. Everyone is see. Suppose if you attend any CoreJava, mainly at least they will teach the programs, iterate statements, and programs on loops. Okay, that's it. Some programs on loops and patterns like this. Likewise, they will teach. Am I correct? I can't see any more programs, any more problem solving skills related to. I never seen any of the trainer teaching good programs on arrays, tough programs on strings, programs on hacker rank. Specifically, I haven't seen any of the trainer guys. Okay, so maybe that is one of the reason people are neglecting. Okay, problem solving skill. Okay, you know see, if you master the problem solving, no, you can learn any framework so easily, guys. That is my understanding on the software, right? Okay, so it is so important. Okay, it is so important because any interview you take, that will be starting with the problem solving skill only, right? Will you agree, guys? Huh? So never underestimate, problem solving. Okay, iterative statements, right? Guys, one more thing I left here. Yeah, recursion, guys. Recursion and its programs. Very important. Recursion and its programs. Next, list and its programs. Okay, set and its programs. And same thing, same guys, same thing. See, every question I will be trying to explain both Java and Python, guys. Okay, right? And once you completed this course, you are eligible to learn DSA, okay? And the DSA will be so easy, okay? In the DSA, I will be completing 3 topics. Am I correct or not? In the DSA part also, these 3 topics will cover around 20% of the DSA part or not? 20 to 25% of DSA part or not? Yeah. Java 8.
Sir, voice is very low.
Voice is very low. Again
Voice is
lower.
very low.
Okay. Guys,
Not
is that,
audible. Hello?
guys, is that, yeah. Guys, can someone confirm me? Are you able to hear me or not? Anyone, someone in the chat box? Hello? I can hear. I think, guys, is that clear? At least clear? Yeah, the one who is telling, voice is just cross check at your end, okay? Please cross check. Okay, thank you, guys.
Okay.
Guys, someone is asking Java 8. Okay, yeah, Java 8 is also very important for the interviews, and I will be teaching at least some interview specific questions related to Java 8, guys. Okay, as people are asking, because that is not part of the problem solving, but the same program I will try to explain in Java 8 as well. Okay, that is okay, fine. And related to Python, guys, any doubts, guys, anything I left, if you feel like, that is important for problem solving, guys, again, I'm telling, I am a Python trainer too, and I taught Java as well. But the thing is, whatever the things required for problem solving, those only I will cover here. Entire concept, this is totally, you can understand by the title, it's a problem solving specific, okay, right? Okay, so it is totally related to problem solving. Okay, this is not at all related to any concept. Okay, concept oriented or something like that. But I feel it is my responsibility to teach enough concepts to before starting of any program. Am I correct? So that's where I can, I thought of teaching the some concepts also which are required. Okay, right, guys, you can see the numbers on the screen. Okay, yeah, for the payment or something. Yeah, and coming to duration and yeah, wait. Now let me explain the Excel sheet. Yeah, someone is asking right earlier. Guys, this is the Excel sheet, guys. Okay, which I gathered the programs on, Hacker Rank, Lead Code, Coding Ninjas, and GFG. Okay. You see, guys, here. See, searching and sorting ratings, sliding window and programs, binary search engine programs. Okay. And programs on arrays, programs on strings, likewise. Okay. See, we start with very first basic programs. Okay. And Hacker Rank, then strings. Okay. Guys, actually, this green color means, for my previous batch, I marked them as completed. Likewise, I marked. Okay. What do you mean by, what do you mean by that, Srinivas Rao? A big problem. Can you explain what? Can you elaborate? I'm not getting Srinivas. What do you mean by that? Guys, actually, it's like 90% of the questions I can see. If something is coming beyond, no, definitely I will take the time in the class and I will solve it. But I am comfortably solving, guys. Okay, right? Because I have enough experience in teaching DSA. Okay. Likewise. Okay. Yeah. I got your point. Srinivas, suppose if you take arrays, right? If you take arrays now, I will explain all the models on the array. See, every program on the internet, no one will teach, right? So mostly, suppose if you take collection framework, right? Okay, I will teach enough programs on the array such that if if any new challenge comes to you, okay, then if any new challenge comes to you, then you are in a place to solve on your own. That's how my target is. Okay, I will solve the enough questions. Okay, if any something like a new challenge coming at your end, you will be solving those. If suppose if I complete a binary search now, guys, trust me, the binary search is so important, guys. Okay, because in the interview they will give you what, guys, come on, they will give you a problem and you can solve the same program on arrays, but they will tell you, can you optimize? Likewise, they will ask, what is that? Can you optimize the time complexity? Can you optimize the time complexity? Likewise, they will ask. Then at that time, you should be thinking of what, guys, can I do the same program? Suppose you have done the programs on what, guys, 2 nested loops. nested loops you have done. Okay, or else you thought, let's assume you thought you solved by using brute force. Then if they're saying like, can you optimize, you need to think with can I do the same program with sliding window? Can I do the same program with the binary search? Likewise, you should think. This is the technique, guys. Okay, after time optimization. Okay, so that's why the binary search is so important and sliding window also so important, guys. Okay, so important. And coming to your point, Srinivas. Okay, so I will be teaching enough programs on every concept so that whenever a new concept coming, new problem coming at your end, you will be solving that easily, guys. Okay. See, and my way of teaching is what, guys? For every program, I will be giving 3 to 4 minutes before solving. I will be sharing the hacker rank link in the chat box. Okay, I will be giving 3 to 4 minutes. Have your own understanding on the program, then I will start explaining, guys. Okay, it is not like directly taking the program and I will be explaining like that. Okay, so I will be giving enough time, not enough time, at least 3 to 4 minutes of basic time to understand and solve on your own. Then I will be starting that, guys. Okay, and every program I will be writing the code on Python and Java. Okay, Python and Java, guys. Yeah, coming to the Excel sheet. See, guys, these are the basic programs. See, these are the just sample models only, and I will be teaching some more programs extra. Okay, next, programs on strings, programs on arrays, okay, and programs on binary search, programs on collection framework, and programs on sliding window. You see, guys, almost we crossed 157, and these are the questions. There are many questions which are there, which are not there in the Excel sheet also. Just I gathered some of the famous questions I solved repeatedly on the classes. Okay, right? But see, you can see the questions from lead code. You can see the questions from GFG, questions from coding ninjas. Okay, likewise, you can see, right? And sliding window and take you forward. GFG. See, almost I'm using 4 to 5 platforms of online challenges, guys. Okay, and these are related to DSA questions. Okay, even I teach DSA also, but yeah, not related to this course, guys. Okay, so this course duration is yeah, 2 pointers. Yeah, basically Srinivas, that the sliding window, no? In the sliding window, 2 pointers is a subtopic, Srinivas. Okay, in the sliding window, 2 pointers is a subtopic. Okay, I will cover that also. Okay. One minute, guys. Actually, that means guys, once the batch is finalized, now I will share the Excel sheet, guys. Okay, right? Till that time, just hold on because I can't share any common. We don't have any common platform with that. So once the batch is finalized, I will share the Excel sheet. Okay, and this syllabus sheet also. Syllabus sheet is nothing, guys. Okay, syllabus sheet is simple. You can see on the screen, right? So basically, considering very beginner to expert level, I will be trying to cover, guys. Okay, in the 30 classes. Okay, right? Okay, so at least after this batch, you will be well versed with problem solving on your own, guys. Okay, right? Yeah, so these are the questions, different questions which we can solve on the problem solving, guys. Okay, right? Any doubts, guys, so far you want me to ask? Hmm.
So you'll not be covering in terms of the problem solving in the OOPS uh, concepts, right?
Guys, trust me, what is problem solving with oops? See, oops means mechanism. No, suppose if you take oops, right? See, oops means what, guys? It's a mechanism. It's a core Java class. It's again a core Java. If I teach oops, no. See, oops means what? Polymorphism, abstraction, right? Interfaces, abstraction, exception handling. Those are not part of the problem solving, no. You got it. Who have asked this question? Multi-threading.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are the, these are not part of the problem. See, if we see the problem solving, 95% problem solvings are on mainly arrays, strings, collections, and what else? Binary search and sliding window and two pointer. See, any coding platform you see, you open, okay, mainly the challenges are related to these things only, okay. So definitely I will be covering these and I will be highlighting these, okay. But if you want oops, no, any separate concept, no, I will take one extra class on Sundays. Likewise, I will teach guys, okay. Is that okay? But oops is not related to problem solving, okay. Okay. Right. And after this course, yeah. Okay. Guys, after this course, guys, trust me, the guys who are having 10 plus years of experience also, they're also getting the questions on problem solving only in the phase of the interview, okay? In the first, first priority of the interview, okay? Even they are also getting the problem solving, okay? Right? Even 10 plus of years of experience also, people are facing issues with problem solving. They were good in DevOps. They might be good in, CoreJava. They might be good in, Spring Boot microservices, frameworks and all. But because of this problem solving, they are suffering a lot, guys. Okay. So, you might be you might be so good in frameworks like React.js, like SBMS, right? DevOps, cloud. But if you're not able to write the code, if you're not able to tell the approach, right? Or if you're not able to optimize the time complexity, okay. Guys, mainly, trust me, guys, optimization is so important. Optimization of time and space is so important, guys. This is where people will fall back. So the thing is, if you write some code by using big O of n cube, okay, they will ask you, can you optimize? Then you need to write in big O of n square. If they're asking further, you need to think of big O of n or n log n. Likewise, you should think, guys. Okay, so you should know the time and space complexity of every program, whatever you are writing. Okay, so the optimization of time is so important. So my way of teaching is, first I will be telling some point, first I will be telling some approach. If first I'm telling you some approach, then if there is a space of optimization, if there is a chance of optimization, yeah. If there is a chance of optimization, I will be teaching that as well, guys. Okay. Even see, my way of teaching is optimizing. That is my highest priority. Okay. Optimizing the time and space, guys. See, do you think that companies will allow if you're writing simply the brute force code? No, guys. Okay. They will check for optimization. Trust me, guys. Out of 10 interview, guys, 10 students appearing. No, 9 can write the program. 9 can write the program and get the answer. But the only few can optimize the time, guys. Okay. That is where people are failing. Okay. So I will be focusing mainly on that aspect as well. Okay, right? How can we optimize the time and space complexity? Okay, then coming to time, fee, and all. Okay, time is regularly 7 to 8 a.m. guys. Okay, IST 7 to 8 a.m. IST, and fee is 3K guys. Fee is 3K, and classes I will take 30 classes. I will take, guys. Okay, 30 classes, not days. 30 classes I will taking around, guys. Okay, because this binary search, sliding window, and two pointer. These guys only will take around 15 to 20 classes, guys. Okay, around 15 plus classes these guys will take. Okay, 15 at the 15 to 20, around 18 classes these guys will take. And remaining arrays of strings, collection framework, those things will around take plus 12 classes. Okay, around that. If the syllabus is not completed, I will be happy to take 40 classes also. It is not like something, I need to bind up at 30 classes. So it's not like that, guys. Okay, right? 30 to 40, 30 to 40 classes will take around 2 months only, guys. Again, trust me, okay? Because we have a leaves everywhere, no leaves, my leaves, your leaves. Likewise, around 50 days it will take, guys. Okay, hardly. Okay, but after 50 days, at least you will be writing the code or logic building on your own, guys. Okay, you will be developing a skill of, you will be developing a skill of logical building, guys. Okay. And can someone tell me at least what are the companies we can target after this class? So after this batch. So basically, we will be targeting mainly on the prod-based companies, guys. Okay. Hmm. Anyone tell me what are prod-based companies? See, companies related to healthcare domain, healthcare. The companies related to e-commerce, we can target, guys. Okay. The companies related to banking domain. and and see, for the service based companies, you know, even it will help for service based companies also, like in Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Techem. Okay, even they will ask you some problem solving skills also, so you can easily clear them. And even you can clear these kind of companies also. Healthcare means Optum, UHG, right? Optum, which I worked, guys. Okay, for 3 years I worked over here. Okay, next there are many healthcare companies, guys. Even I'm not able to get the name. Okay, e-commerce means we have Walmart, Myntra, Flipkart. Okay, you can, you know, for these companies it will be helpful, guys. Okay, and banking domain, we have a DBS Bank, Commonwealth Bank, CBA, and Lloyd's Bank. Likewise, there are multiple companies, guys. Okay, so you know, it will be more helpful to crack these kind of companies, guys. Okay, right? And GE Healthcare. Likewise, you can attempt a number of companies, guys. Okay, because the problem solving is the only one skill which is stopping many of the students or employees, you know, back, guys. Okay, right? Yes, yes, definitely. I will be teaching. I will be taking a separate class on Sundays or weekends. Okay, right? I will be explaining, you know, the procedure of cracking into the resume preparation. See, whatever the skill I know, okay, I'm happy to teach if you're asking. Okay, right? And mainly, I used to teach DSA batches, guys. So DSA batches, these guys, you know, whatever the skills I'm teaching, you know, these are the part of DSA. These are the occupying 20 to 30% of DSA. Okay, at least 30% of the DSA course only, right? But people feel DSA is bit difficult, but at least they should comfortable with problem solving. Otherwise, there is no meaning of appearing for interviews, guys. Okay, right? The problem solving skill is that much important. Okay, right? Okay, na? And guys, any doubts, guys, related to syllabus sheet or my Excel sheet? Or sliding window? Okay. And 2 pointers also, guys. Okay, somewhere I added, okay, not added. Fine. No, right? Okay. uh Guys, my way of teaching is everything will be from the scratch, but in the same time I won't be giving more time to concepts. Okay, my mainly 90% of the time I will be teaching the problems only, guys. Okay, programs only. Okay, in this as part of this course. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hmm. So I don't want to start any new topic today. I think I have covered everything, right? Syllabus sheet, timings, class details, fee details. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, guys, again I'm telling. So you appear for any kind of interview, guys. Okay, the problem solving skill is so mandatory. Okay, based on the company level. If the company is bit good company and they're expecting high number of packages, no, right? They will expect the difficult, good problem solving skills. Okay. Likewise, they will expect guys. Okay. You know, see, mainly the package in IT, right? They are so good, right? Even the layoffs are also so good. I'm not commenting on that. So the packages are so good, guys. If you good in problem solving, you can expect a good number of packages, guys. Okay, right? Right now, I'm not supposed to say I'm earning a very good package, guys. Okay, yeah, for my experience, I'm getting very good. I'm not supposed to reveal that my company name or package name, everything. But yeah, so I believe if you're good in problem solving skills, okay, you can have a good chance to get a good package. Okay, that's what I believe, guys. Okay, and you can have a high chance of getting shortlisted. Okay, getting shortlisted. See, suppose if you're not able to solve the program in the first 15 to 20 minutes, then why they will go for the further rounds, guys? Why they will expect Spring Boot knowledge? Why they will expect data analyst knowledge? Why they will expect PySpark or data engineering knowledge, right? So first and foremost thing is you should be flexible in solving the program, right? Uh, Guys, my experience around 8 years, guys. Okay, yeah, 8 years. But I have a good experience in DSC batches. So DSC and problem solving till now I have taken 7 to 8 batches on DSC and problem solving. Problem solving. My experience is around 8 years, guys. Yeah. Okay. So I have taken 7 to 8 batches in DSA and problem solving. Okay. And I took 5 batches on Spring Boot and microservices. Okay. And I won't teach CoreJava. Some, one batch I hardly taught CoreJava in one institute. Okay. I worked on multiple institutes. Okay. I'm not supposed to say the names. Naresh, Ashok, and this presently working in DURGASOFT. Okay. From past few months, I'm working over here. Okay. So yeah, guys. So from past 3 to 4 years, I'm into teaching. Okay. This is about my experience, as you guys are asking. Yeah, fine. But I worked in product-based companies, guys. I worked in Optum, okay, for 3 years, and Lloyd's Bank for some time, and now I'm part of one of the automation company, car engine automation company, somewhat like that. Yeah. So yeah, I have a experience in cracking product-based companies. Okay. Uh, in these 8 years, I have cracked at least 10 to 20 top broad-based companies. Guys, okay. I used to do that. What we call offer shopping, somewhat like that. Whenever I'm switching home, at the time I used to do that way. Okay. I don't know if it is good or bad, but again, based on the market standards, if you want to get the cities, I used to deal that way. Yeah, but yeah, I have a enough experience in cracking broad-based companies. Okay, that's what I can assure you. You can also do the same thing after this course. Okay, right? Yes. Any more doubts? No. Okay, guys. You can feel free to drop. And tomorrow at the same time, 78. I hope everyone will join. Okay, right? Right. So once the batch is finalized, I will be creating one common platform like a group of on WhatsApp or somewhere. Okay. So we'll be sharing the links or somewhere, anything. Okay. Right, guys. And thanks for joining, guys. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Sorry. Good morning. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye, guys.